What is up, guys? It is Jack and welcome to a new video. Today I ordered a bunch of things on Amazon actually a few days ago using all of the money I got for my birthday, and I'm super excited because these things are really going to step up my videos to the next level. And after doing a ton of research, I can definitely say that I would recommend them to you guys doing the same for your channel. So let's get right into it. The first thing that we're unboxing is probably the lamest of the three, but it's still pretty cool. This is a fader ND filter. So I've talked about ND filters before on my drone, but I've got a lens, the 50mm f1.8, that shoots on an f1.8 aperture, meaning it lets in a ton of light. So this ND filter is going to be super helpful for when I'm shooting outside, being able to use a low shutter speed, but not having it, blasted with light. Because sure, a low f-stop is great for low light, but if you're shooting on a really sunny day, you're gonna need an ND filter. And this guy's really nice because it's actually a variable ND filter, meaning you can change the darkness of it. So we'll just pull it out just like this. So it comes in a really nice case. I'll grab my 50mm lens right here. We can just open it up just like this. Dark, light. But that is so cool. I'm so excited to use that. And it's time for the next thing, which is one of the things I'm most excited for. This is a brand new tripod. So for those of you who have seen a lot of my videos, you'll know that I actually use a really kind of crappy tripod. It's this tripod that this camera's on right now. It's a Vivitar $20 tripod I believe I got from Office Max. So it's definitely time to upgrade, especially since I'm going to need a tripod that's going to support a ton of weight. And you'll see why in a second. But first, let's just open up this tripod. It looks like this tripod actually comes with its own carrying case. Woo, this is so nice. Gel, throw away, do not need. I'll have to pass this off to my friend Jack. Let's unzip this. Woo, this is like the nicest thing I've ever owned. And just like that, it comes out just like this. We're gonna keep this here for the rest of the video. That is so cool. You can see that ball head is really high quality. It's also really big. I love that it comes with a quick release plate. But that doesn't matter because the final thing that we've got is this guy. This is the Manfrotto 502 video head. And you guys may have noticed I've definitely been lacking as far as the pan and tilt aspect of my technology videos. And that's because, as I told you, I'm using that really crappy tripod and ball head. But this guy, oh my god, this is like what MKBHD uses. It's huge. Look at the size of this thing. This is absolutely humongous. Holy crap. So I've had this whole setup for about a week now, and I gotta admit, I really like it. You can see just by looking at it, this thing looks like it belongs in Team Crispy. With this awesome head and a fancy tripod, I can stick a red camera on here. This thing's going to last me for years. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why spend $160 on a fluid head like this when I already had a fluid head? You guys know I've used a lot of pan and tilt shots in my videos, but obviously it's really hard to get smooth shots with this guy. I found myself having to use the rubber band method, which is essentially tying a rubber band to the actual handle and using it to get those pans and tilts. But even so, I end up having to do like 30 takes on this guy before I get a really nice smooth shot. It doesn't have any jitters in it. On the contrary, this thing is built for smooth shots. So to unlock it, you want to just turn this thing. That unlocks the pan function, and then you can use this red ring here to make it tight or loose, and you get some really nice shots. Look how smooth this is, and it keeps it super smooth. This is almost like a gimbal, because if not, it's just going to shake the tripod. But what's nice is this whole adjustable thing allows you to adjust it for whatever type of shots you're getting. And the same can be said for the ups and downs, also known as tilts. There's this lock mechanism on the side that you just unlock, and then over here you can use this knob to actually adjust how much resistance you want, or we can tighten it just like this. Oh yeah, and now we've got a ton of resistance. One of the nice things though is it's actually got something in here that automatically brings your camera to level. So if you've got your head all the way back like this and you let go, it's just going to kind of straighten it out automatically. Once you've got both axes loose, you can get some really creative shots. This guy's just got a ton of creative possibilities. You've also got this nice plate here, which you can actually take off just like this, that you can screw your camera in. And then once you put it back in, you can actually adjust where you want your camera to be on the plate and then just lock it with this guy. And you can tell there's just a ton of features on this guy. Some of them I'll use, some of them I won't use, but they're kind of nice to have. Plus, the main thing that we're all going to be using this for is those really crispy pan and tilt shots that are going to really improve your B-roll. This is something that I've needed for so long, and I'm so glad that I finally got this. bucks. I'll leave a link to it in the description box down below. I would definitely check this guy out, as well as this tripod I'm using with it. I haven't talked much about it, but this is the Dolica Proline tripod. It's definitely heavy enough and metal enough that it's going to be able to support this heavy head and a heavy camera. So I would definitely recommend it for like 50 bucks. I'll also leave the ND filter in the description box down below, because again, that's an awesome and very worthy investment for you. It only cost me like 13 bucks. And I will see you guys next time. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to click right here to subscribe and click right here to check out my latest videos. I'm Jack. Peace.